Today we are reviewing the FlexiSpot ErgoX Pro Ergonomic Office Chair, a serious contender to everyone who spends hours editing like myself or working in the office. Is this one here, guys, where I'm sitting down, or even if you work from home. I also work from home. This is not your average desk chair. It's a CHIP certified heavy-duty ergonomic beast, built to support up to 250 kilograms. You can get them in black or, like myself, in the grey color. But before we start the review, Thiago here. Welcome back, or welcome. And if it's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. This said, let's start the review. So I like to take the price just out of the way straight away. So talking about the price, the FlexiSpot ErgoX Pro in UK has a price tag of £299. Like always, I'm going to leave links in the video description, so please use them. It doesn't harm you and helps the channel. For the US, the price tag is $479. And like I said, links gonna be down below in the description. Please check them because it's always good to have accurate prices. So the prices on Amazon keep changing, so go always in the video description and you may find a discount code or a better price. Let's carry on with the review. The installation process is surprisingly easily. FlexiSpot includes everything you need in the box: the screws, the tools, the instructions, and even spare hardware. The manual is straightforward with clear diagrams that actually match the parts in front of you. The gas lift slots into place without force, the base attaches smoothly, the backrest aligns perfectly with the seat frame. The armrests come pre-assembled, which saves a lot of time. From start to finish, the entire build took me around 15 to 20 minutes, and at no point I feel stuck or confused. Even the footrest mechanisms clicks into place with satisfying secure lock. If you ever struggle with flat pack furniture, this will feel like a breath of fresh air. Once assembled, the chair immediately feels solid. The reinforced steel frame gives it a heavy-duty presence, and the 250 kilograms load capacity isn't just a number. You can feel the stability the moment you sit down. The mesh design, it's modern and sleek, but more importantly, it's functional. The high-tenancy fibers allow constant airflow, keeping you cool during long editing sessions, or also when you game for a long time. The silhouette is clean and professional, and the adjustable headrest and footrest blends seamlessly into the design. Everything feels premium, from smooth tilt mechanism to the aluminum base and dual heel casters. Now, let's talk about the lumbar system, because FlexiSpot went all in here. The 12 lumbar height adjustment allows you to move the support vertically with precision, aligning it perfectly with your spine natural curve. It's incredible satisfying to dial in until it hits the exact spot you need. On top of that, the 5D lumbar support moves forward, backwards, up and down, and adjusts at different angles. It follows the natural C shape of the spine and can be locked into your preferred positions. Together, these systems create one of the most customizable lumbar experiences I've ever had tested in a chair. The 7D armrests are another standout feature. They move in every direction you could possibly need: up, down, forward, backward, inward, outward, and they pivot at multiple angles. Whether you are typing, editing, gaming, or leaning back watching content, you can lock them exactly where your arms feel most relaxed. This reduces shoulder tension and wrist strain, especially during long sessions at desk. In real-world use, the chair performs exactly as advertised. The mesh keeps you cool, the lumbar keeps you aligned, and the armrest keeps your shoulders relaxed. The chair is CHIP certified, meaning it meets strict standards for durability, safety, and ergonomic performance. After using it for editing, scripting, and gaming, and also working 7 hours a day, I noticed significant reduction in my back fatigue and zero pressure on my shoulders. So, is the FlexiSpot Ergonomic X Pro worth it? If you value comfort, adjustability, and long-term durability, absolutely. It's a premium ergonomic chair that feels tailored, made for your body. The packing is excellent, the assembly is easy, and the performance is outstanding. For the price, it's one of the most complete ergonomic chairs you can buy today. And that's it, guys. This was our review on the FlexiSpot ErgoX Pro Ergonomic office chair. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the video description, so please use them. It doesn't harm you and helps the channel. If you found any value in this review and you want to see more reviews like this one, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.